Hello everyone, welcome to Shabita Uganda. Today's lesson we're going to look at the block or host mountain. Feel free to contact us at elearning@shabita.net or contact me on 0708 9900 34. So in today's lesson we shall look at definition of a block mountain, examples of block mountain, formation of the block mountains, importances of block mountains, economic activities carried out in block mountains. So first of all, you have to see what a block or host mountain is. Block mountains are sometimes referred to as the host mountain. Another name to mean the block mountain is a host mountain. These mountains were formed as a result of faulting. Faulting is a result of developing of weak lines within the earth's crust. So examples of block mountains, host mountains, you have got Mountain Rwenzori in Uganda and DRC. Why are we saying in Uganda and DRC? It's because it shares a border that separates Uganda from Democratic Republic of Congo. So that's why you say Mountain Rwenzori in Uganda and DRC. So part is in Uganda, part is in DRC Congo. Alright. Mountain Hurungul in Tanzania. Mountain Usambara in Tanzania. Mountain Humatengo in Tanzania. Look at Mountain Ufipa in Tanzania. Mountain Dankail in Ethiopia. Mountain Pari in Tanzania. So those are some of the examples of host mountains we have in East Africa. So formation of a block mountain, we have got block mountains are formed as a result of faulting, whereby faulting is the development of lines of weakness within the earth's surface. Formation of a block mountain, diagrammatic illustration. So tend to find that up there we have the fault lines, and then these fault lines were subjected to a compression force which pressed the blocks together. Hence when you come down near the second diagram, the middle piece was pushed up due to a greater compression force, and it rose in forming a host mountain. So in illustrations, in the assignments I've assigned you down there, we are going to draw and illustrate how a block mountain is formed, including the way the diagram looks like. You have to talk about block mountain was formed as a result of faulting, whereby the blocks were risen up due to compression forces that rose the middle block up and forming a host mountain. Okay. So we shall look at the importance of block mountains. They help in rainfall formation. They act as natural harbors. They act as natural boundaries between countries. For example, Mountain Rwenzori separates Uganda and Democratic Republic of Congo. They attract tourists to bring foreign exchange, which is used in development of infrastructures like roads, hospitals. They are sources of mineral deposits. They have fertile soils for farming. Some block mountains are sources of rivers like River Rufiji from Mountain Rwenzori. They are natural habitats for wild animals. So we shall look at the disadvantages of mountains. Mountains make construction of roads and really difficult, since a mountain is not a plateau nor flat. It's either rugged, plateau, rugged. So it's very difficult for man to establish a road due to its rugged nature. When some volcanic mountains erupt, they kill people and destroy crops. They harbor dangerous animals. They are barriers to rain-bearing winds. They promote severe soil erosion. So the disadvantages, I think they are done. Feel free to contact me in case you haven't understood anything. I will be able to illustrate more on 0708 9900 34, or you can contact us at elearning@shabita.net. Look at the problems faced by people living in mountainous areas as subtopic. You have the cold nights during the night. It's the weather is so cold, like people in Mufumbiro, they experience very cold nights. Poor transport and communication. This is because most of the mountainous areas are rugged. Rugged means the land is either folded, full of rocks, full of what, hence construction of road is inevitable, and this makes transport inevitable. Landslides, these are caused as a result of heavy rainfalls, hence a huge mass of soil falls from top of the mountain, causing death of people and animals, destroying plants. Soil erosion, this is the washing away of topsoil which contains nutrients needed by plants for proper growth. So we shall look at some of the economic activities around Block Mountains. We have tourism. This is the act of people from either abroad or within the country to visit beautiful sceneries with the aim of either studying or having leisure, and they provide foreign exchange to the country. We look at the second economic activity, which is mining. This is the process of extracting minerals like diamond, coal, gold from deep layers of the earth's crust. Whereas fishing, this is the extracting of fish from water bodies for either sale, industrial use, or home consumption, mainly from rivers that emerge from some Block Mountains, since they are ever snow kept. And when during the dry seasons the sun melts the snow of Mountain Rwenzori, yes, a river comes out, a river flows from the mountain, which is River Rufiji, and it harbors fish which you could extract and sell to improve on their standards of living. Thank you very much for viewing us. Thank you for loving us. We love you too. We're going to look at these sample review questions and exercise. What are the importance of Block Mountains? Give examples of Block Mountains found in Uganda, 2 marks, Democratic Republic of Congo, Ethiopia, and I'm going to describe how Block Mountains formed based on the faulting, 10 marks. Illustrate, you should draw. Submit the work in Google Classrooms. We shall be able to mark you and award you accordingly. And remember, best students will be called on the panel and will be awarded gifts. Thank you very much for your time and for participating in the work I know you're going to do with students. You can feel free to contact us at elearning@savia.net or contact me on 0708990034. Thank you very much. We love you so much. God bless.